Let's make some bread with this Neretva Bread Making Machine. You'll need 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 package of Fleischmann's yeast, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 cups of bread flour, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Teaspoon. The recipe I used said to put the warm water, sugar, and yeast first, and then put a timer on for 10 minutes to let it dissolve, and then add the rest of your ingredients after that. After 10 minutes, you'll see that your mixture will look a little bubbly, and that's what you want it to do. Then you'll add in the next set of ingredients, including the 3 cups of flour, the oil, and the salt. And then you're ready to set your machine to bread maker on the setting for number 1, and then it will do everything that it needs to do in order to start kneading the bread. As you can see here, there's a nice LCD screen. It will set the timer to 3 hours, and then you'll be able to see through the window in the next section here that the bread will start kneading through. You'll see it moves right away, and then you'll just have to wait for that part of the bread making to be finished, and then it will start cooking the bread. After 3 hours, you'll open up the cover, and there's your bread. It's nice and golden brown. It's perfect. You'll just twist the bread out of the device. You'll put it on a rack to cool, and then you'll be ready to cut and eat. Check it out. You'll love it.